our project is custom object recognition. In this project, we try to generalize the object recognition model according to the user need. Using this model, user can do both binary class classification of objects or multiple class classification of object. First of all, we have imported all the required libraries. Then we have used OpenCV to collect the live multiple images of the object user want to detect. User want to detect. Then after running this code, we have saved all the images. All the images in the current working directory in a folder there on a folder named with the label. Now we are taking label of the object from the user. For example, I am using smartphone. Then after using, then open my webcam to collect the images of smartphone. Okay, so I can capture multiple images of the smartphone of my phone. Okay, after that, after capturing multiple images, it asks user if he want to add another class or not. So I'm simply using no. No. So all the images we have captured are stored in a folder named with the labeled user given that is smartphone. So here all my images are saved. I have already used 7 objects for this for the test of this model. So I am using that data set. Yeah, done. So after collecting the data set from the user, we will now load the images from those folders. We are using again OpenCV to read all the images and loading data of all the images from the folder and separating them according to their labels and also converting all the images into array form. So now our okay, model is loading all the images. So after loading all the data, we use one np-utils for one-hot encoding. After one hot encoding, we split the data into train and test. Train and test for the training purpose and test data to evaluate the model accuracy and that how good the model is performing. Then we design a simple convolution neural network to classify our objects according to their features. Then we train the model. I have already trained the models on 200 epochs because takes so much time to train all this. So I have already trained the model. So when after training the model, we have get the our losses and our accuracy of the model. So our losses are changes drastically after there is a drastic fall, and they are not, after that they are changes linearly declining, decreasing, and our accuracy is also after some 20%. It is constant and around 88%. So then after okay now it's time for predicting the dataset. We again use OpenCV to fetch new images from the user to capture new images of object from the user. We capture the image of the object live from live webcam, and then predict predict the class of that object according to our model. I have already done that. Like I already done that. I fed all these images into the model, and it have predicted almost correctly, but most of them were wrong. Okay, so this was our project of object detection for multiple class and binary class classification.